We're cutting across live right now to the IAF drill that's underway in the Ganga Expressway in Shahjahanpur of Uttar Pradesh. The first expressway in the country that will see not just day landings but equipped for nighttime landings as well. We've been seeing some of the biggest jets touching down really on that expressway. The C-130J Super Hercules has already touched down the expressway, one of the biggest really that will be landing on that expressway. But besides that, the Jaguar fighter jet is now up in the air. You can expect it to touch down on that expressway anytime now. We're seeing, in fact, India's air power on full display. The timing of this particular display is crucial because it's happening even as India has been threatening that they will hit back at Pakistan for sponsoring terrorism, for pushing terrorists into India and the aftermath of the Pahalgam terror attack. We'll be connecting with Shivani Sharma, who's live there in Shahjahanpur from the Ganga Expressway, getting us all of the action. As you can see there, jets flying by. These are jets that will be landing on the expressway. This is an operation and, in fact, a drill that's done in case of emergencies, in case of wars as well, where jets can take off and land on expressways. We have 4 such expressways in Uttar Pradesh alone. Ganga Expressway, however, where this drill is currently taking place, is the only one in the country where you can actually have these kind of landings even taking place in the night. So while you're seeing right now this operation underway, it's going to be happening again in the night as well. We'll get you details of that. Let's move on for the moment. Okay, we'll continue getting you these images right now of the IAF jets that are up in the air. Shivani Sharma is joining us live from the Ganga Expressway. Shivani, take it away. Give us a sense of what's happening. We understand some of India's and IAF's biggest aircraft, most powerful aircraft are landing right now on the Ganga Expressway.
Akshita, this is a demonstration that is going on at the newly constructed emergency landing strip at the Ganga Expressway in Uttar Pradesh, Shahjahanpur, where we are present right now to report this unusual exercise. And we've seen how the C-130J Super Hercules, they have flown past, and we saw the Jaguars that making maneuvers in the skies above Ganga Expressway. And soon we'll be seeing the touchdown of the Rafales, which are happening for the first time, because we've seen Rafales flying and taking on multiple complex operations, but we'll be seeing them landing for the first time on the emergency landing strip. This is unusual, Akshita, and very important because the timing is quite crucial when all the forces of India, not only the Indian Air Force, but the Army and the Navy are all preparing and demonstrating their skills, their prowess, their might. We are witnessing in Uttar Pradesh that is not a battlefield, mind you, not a border area, but a usual expressway where these aircraft are seen landing and taking on operation in a combined, coordinated manner. Because, you know, when you go for a war, you do not go with a certain kind of aircraft, but you have a combination of all. So here we are seeing the transport aircraft, the C-130J Super Hercules, where we've seen for carrying out huge operations like the recent one where we saw in Myanmar. They had taken aid for people there from India for long distances with large weights. They are also flying here. We've seen AN-32, which are used for deployments also and for transportation of things. And we are also seeing the Jaguars, the fighters of the Indian Air Force that are flying here. Apart from the Jaguars, the Sukhois will be flying, the Rafale will be touching down, and also the Mi-17 helicopters that will be used for insertion exercises will be showcasing how a demonstration takes place. So this is a real-time exercise that takes place in Uttar Pradesh, Shahjahanpur's newly constructed emergency landing strip, the one which is the only one which can give the capability of these to the fighter jets to land at the time of night, with the special approach lights and the navigation systems that are helpful for these fighters to land in the times of emergency.
Okay, so you're seeing this massive air drill that's currently underway. It's the only strip and expressway in the country that also supports nighttime landing. So from 7 p.m., you'll see part 2 of this drill under the lights, and to show that these kind of landings can happen in the night after sunset as well. But Shivani, also the timing of this drill extremely crucial. You know, Pakistan has been rattled, they've been scared, they don't know what's coming their way, which is why they've closed off their airspace repeatedly. And so amid that, you've got the Indian Air Force showing off their might and some of your most powerful aircraft on display there.
This is the reason why Pakistan is all the more agitated, because each and every day we are showcasing some of the other might of the Indian Defence Forces. We are seeing the naval drills, we are seeing the Air Force drills, we are seeing the drills by the army on ground. And this one is more important because, you know, this is happening after the Pahalgam attack. This is not a usual drill. It is happening on an expressway that is used usually for vehicles to move from one city to other. But this has been turned into an emergency landing strip, showcasing that India is ready for any kind of situation, any kind of operation that might be into consideration by the forces. Because, you know, after meeting the Prime Minister, the forces have been given full freedom to crush down the terror state. There are deliberations going on in which the forces have to decide where and how they are going to take the strike against terror. So all the more agitated Pakistan must be watching all these drills and all these deliberations that go on in India, and that's why we see a lot of jittery statements that come in from Pakistan.